Hey everybody, sorry for not posting part 2 of my surprise scavenger hunt giveaway. I had an emergency. I was rushed to the emergency room. Um, my potassium level was super duper low. My new specialist, my hematologist, was very concerned with the level, and so I needed to go into the emergency room to get an infusion for it. Apparently it was so low that I guess it could damage my heart. Anyhow, that being said, I am going to be giving away these two Yarnspirations Colorama Halo cakes in this gorgeous blue, like heathery color. It is called Sea and Sky. It's a 5 bulky, and let's see here. It is 71% acrylic and 18% nylon, 11% polyester. And you will get 2 of them, which is plenty of yarn to do lots of things. Let me see. It's 227 grams or 481 yards. So that is about 560 yards in total for the yarn. And then I'm also going to be giving away, 1 second here, got another one of these stitch counter, and it's nice and shiny. Put it on your finger, put it on whatever you want, makes it easy to carry around. And then these stitch markers, they're metal clip stitch markers. Yeah, so, and if you can see, they're silver, gold, and rose gold. So that's what we've got so far. So you've got this, and 2 of these yarns, and more to come. Keep an eye out for maybe a couple more videos, and then we'll go from there. So hope everybody is having a great week so far, and hope you will have a great weekend. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm sticking this at the end just because hopefully you watch to the end. And I've numbered this number 2 because you would have to have watched, or not, sorry, watched. You would have had to read 2 posts. One has a survey in it or poll, and the other has a little bit of a story in it. So you need to go to those 2 things in order to have this all make sense and why this is number 2. So check out my last 2 posts, read them, take the poll, and make sure you answer that question in there the right way. I don't ask what your favorite color is. I believe it's what my favorite color is. So check that out. Watch the videos. I'll do it like the last time. I'll have the same what is it, cover on them, and I will make a short and a long form for everything. I'm not sure how many videos I'll make depending on how many prizes. I think I have at least 1 or 2 more prizes that I'm going to give away. I don't want to give away too much because I still have things that I want to give to you guys in January. So yeah, if you got this far, good job. Check out everything so you get everything. because you don't want to miss out on all the clues.